Hey guys, so I wanted to do a new handbag unboxing with you. I went to an event that Fendi had at their store at the Crystals Mall here, and it was to celebrate a new version of their Peekaboo bag. So it was their Peekaboo issue event, and a few months ago, I don't know if you guys remember a vlog when I went over to Fendi, there was a Peekaboo bag that I was really interested in purchasing, but I held off at that time and I thought, let me not get anything on impulse. And the more I thought about it, the more I just really fell in love with the Peekaboo silhouette. So I thought, well, let me go to this event and I can really just kind of take in all the different sizes, all the different leathers, all the different colors, and Fendi does this amazing thing where they just add little details in here or there, but it'll only be in that color and that size. So there was a lot of options to go through. The one that I was eyeing a few months ago was kind of like the color of this shirt, and they didn't have that anymore. Unfortunately, it was sold. So I did end up getting a Peekaboo, and I did vlog more of the event and everything because they had a calligrapher there, and I actually put a picture up on my Instagram feed of this beautiful calligraphy. They had these cards in the shape of Peekaboo handbags. It was so cute. They had all these different colors to choose from, so I picked a tan kind of cardboard color. So let's go ahead and dive into the unboxing. So we've got the beautiful Fendi bag here, and they've got the ribbon tying the handles together here. Very nice. And oh, I actually have it up here. So here is the card. So she wrote out my name on the envelope, and here is the card. Isn't that so cute? And of course they asked what I wanted on there. So since I was getting a Peekaboo, I just had her write, "I love my Peekaboo." And then on the back, it has Fendi there. That's so cool. I want to somehow get this framed or something to hang up, but I just love that. I adore it. Here is the box that it came in. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. It's wrapped so beautifully, of course. And it is in a dust bag. Move the box out of the way. And here it is. Isn't she a beaut? So here is the model that I got. So in the vlog, you'll see exactly all the different varieties that I was kind of going through. So I did want this mini size. They have large, medium, small, mini, petite, which is the new size that they just came out with for this event. And then they have a micro, and then they even have a charm size, which looks like a keychain, but it has all of the little Peekaboo detailing. It is amazing. And then they even have men's versions, which don't come in. They're a little bit more straight up and down. They had a black and black. It was gorgeous. All of the bags are so gorgeous. So I decided on this one because there was one that was really beautiful. It was a little bit of a lighter kind of taupey gray than this, but the leather was a lambskin. So I've learned my lesson. I mean, I think lambskin is so beautiful. It's so soft. And if you are really careful with your bags and you do keep it fairly pristine, it's beautiful. It looks beautiful. But I'm not that careful, and I don't want to worry about a handbag when I'm carrying it. And then they had a calfskin that was a little bit more resilient than the lambskin, but it was still kind of smooth. And it had gold hardware. But I just really love this version, which is the Celluria version. It has this textured leather, which is very scratch resistant, as you can see. And then it has the Celluria stitching across the top. And all of their bags are handmade, but this is hand stitched, which I really love. And there's something about this particular shade that I think really lends itself to the silver hardware versus the gold hardware. The gold hardware, I love. I would definitely use it. I have nothing against it, but I just thought that the silver and this kind of warm taupe. It just seemed to suit each other. So it does have this top handle that you can see. It does also come with a shoulder strap. So this model comes with a thinner shoulder strap. That was like another option that, not even an option, but that was another variety that they had within all of these Peekaboos, was they had a version that had the thicker shoulder strap. So if that was a consideration, you know, you kind of had to lean towards that one. I think the one with the gold hardware had a thicker strap, and then it had, you know, some of them had different linings. It's just incredible actually how much detail Fendi puts into like each and every single version of their bag, not even just different sizes or different colors, but like the different leathers and the different detailing. It's really, really cool. And then inside the bag, there's like a little slot for like cards and stuff. And then, oh, I think this is like a little rain bag. Oh, how cute. Here is, I think, like authenticity cards. Here is, okay, here's the actual information if you are curious about this particular model. That's a lot of numbers and letters, but there it is if you're interested. And then, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see, but inside the bag, do you see that stitching in there? There's like a plaque in all of the Celleria style bags letting you know that it is a Fendi Celleria bag. And then there's a little zipper pocket in here. So I think what I love most about this particular size Peekaboo is that it fits a lot more than you think. It is their mini size, but it is, you know, on the thicker side. And so it fits my phone easily. My phone, keys, sunglasses, everything really, really easily. Let me go ahead and put the strap on so you can see what that looks like. And it just attaches to the base of the top handle here. It is adjustable. All right, so there is the strap attached. Let me go ahead and model it for you now. Okay, so here it is modeled. I love it. I don't think, did I put it on the smallest hole? I think there's one more hole, which would make it about an inch longer. So it'll probably come down to right about here instead. But I like this. It's very easy for me to get my hand into the bag. And it does have these closures in the front. So again, this is the mini size. So you can see it's a pretty decent size. I felt like once I started kind of holding the small and the medium sized Peekaboos, they all of a sudden started to look very like more formal and a little bit more like workplace appropriate. And I just felt like, you know, that's not really me. That's not my life anymore. And so I wanted to kind of keep it a little bit more casual and informal looking. So I really liked, yeah, I really like this size, and it really holds pretty much everything that I need. Oh, it also has little feet on the bottom, which I love. And here it is in my hand versus a crossbody. So the crossbody strap hangs down if you do want that option. They do unclasp very, very easily if you want to just take that strap off and tuck it away into the bag if you're gonna hold it. But I don't mind it hanging down like this. And there is one more hole in the strap if you do want it a little bit longer than how I was wearing it. I'm 5'5", so if you're a little bit taller than me, then you're probably gonna wanna go down to that very last hole in the strap. So I just wanted to do a really quick, like what fits in this bag, since I was just talking about how petite this looks, but really how much it holds. So here is my iPhone. I have an iPhone 13 Pro, but it's not a Max, and that fits in really easily. My car keys, my readers, there's two sides, so I'm gonna throw them over here. My wallet, my AirPods, and that's it. That's all I had in my other bag. But as you can see, I have plenty of room, and I can even close one side if I want. Can I close both sides? Oh yeah, I can close both sides too if I wanted. And yeah, I'm just impressed with how much this bag can hold without looking really sizable. So that's it. That is my new Fendi Peekaboo bag. I just love it so much. I love the size, I love the color, I love the Celleria top stitching, I love this textured leather, which is really perfect for me. It's not too delicate. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and subscribe down below if you're enjoying this content. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.